Gentlemen, good day and welcome to the Q3 and 9-month FY2026 earnings conference call of Waaree Energies Limited, hosted by MUFG In Time India Private Limited. As a reminder, all participants' line will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then 0 on your touch-tone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Nikunj Jain from MUFG In Time Private Limited. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ikra. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to the Q3 and 9-month FY26 earnings conference call for Waaree Energies Limited. To discuss this quarter's performance, we have from the management, Mr. Amit Paitankar, Full-Time Director and Chief Executive Officer, Ms. Sonal Srivastava, Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Abhishek Parekh, Group Head Finance, Mr. Neeraj Vinayak, Vice President Investor Relations, and Mr. Rohit Waaree, General Manager Investor Relations. Before we proceed with the call, I would like to mention that some of the statements made in today's call may be forward-looking in nature and may involve risk and uncertainties. For more detailed disclaimer, kindly refer to the investor presentation and other filings that can be found on the company's website and stock exchanges. Without further ado, I would like to hand over the call to the management for their opening remarks, and then we can open the floor for Q&A. Thank you, and over to you, Amit.
Thank you very much, Nikunj. Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining us for the Q3 FY26 earnings call of Waaree Energies Limited. I shall be referring to the presentation that has been uploaded on the stock exchanges. If you have the presentation handy, it would be helpful to follow the conversation. Before we begin, I would like to briefly highlight the cover page of our presentation. The facilities showcased here represent the scale and depth of our manufacturing footprint, both domestic and international. These are hubs powering our integrated solar and energy transition platform, enabling us to deliver consistently at scale with speed and with precision. Many of our upcoming facilities are in close vicinity of Vapi, which is the first proposed station for the upcoming bullet train, cutting down the travel time between Mumbai and Vapi to less than 45 minutes. The highway connectivity and bullet train access provides seamless logistics and employee attractiveness. Now I move to the most exciting part of the presentation, our Q3 results. On slide 3, Waaree Energies Limited has reported yet another stellar quarter with a revenue growth of 118.8% year-on-year and an EBITDA growth of 167.2% year-on-year. Our PAT grew 118.4% year-on-year. These are record-breaking numbers, ladies and gentlemen, and they stand as a testament to our razor-sharp focus on growth and on creating value for all of our stakeholders, including all of you who are listening to the call. Moving to the slide number 4, our module production increased by 94% on a year-on-year basis, and the cell production increased by 35% quarter-on-quarter. This is supported by a solid order book of 60,000 crores, a healthy order pipeline exceeding 100 gigawatts. This order pipeline gives us visibility for upcoming quarters ahead. The geographical revenue mix remains balanced with 67.4% contribution from domestic market and the remainder overseas. Retail and EPC segments continue to gain traction, further diversifying our revenue streams. On slide number 5, I'm delighted to share that Waaree has become the first Indian solar manufacturer to achieve over 1 gigawatt of module production in a single month, producing nearly 52 modules per minute. Just 8 more modules to go to hit the next record. This demonstrates our manufacturing excellence, driven by advanced automation, strong engineering capabilities, and continuous innovation, reinforcing Waaree's leadership in India's clean energy manufacturing landscape. Furthermore, we have also secured non-Chinese, fully traceable polysilicon supply chain through our strategic investment in United Solar Holding, based out of Oman. This further strengthens our position as a reliable partner in the United States of America and other international markets. During the quarter, we raised around 1,000 crores of equity for 20 gigawatt-hour advanced lithium-ion battery and pack manufacturing facility. Moving to slide number 7. This is one of the most important slides of the deck. This is what keeps us excited. This is what keeps us energized. This is what keeps us coming every day to work. Waaree 1.0 represents module and cells, but we are now investing in full solar value chain from polysilicon, ingots and wafers, cells, and modules. We are also investing across the energy transition ecosystem to build a fully integrated multi-energy global platform. Our expansion and investments into battery storage, inverters, transformers, power infrastructure, and electrolyzers as a part of green energy ecosystems, we are building what we now call as Waaree 2.0. Moving to slide number 8, indigenization of inverters is vital for data protection and for control. India's market is expected to grow fourfold by 2035. Waaree has already commissioned phase 1 of its 3 gigawatt inverter facility at Sarodi, Gujarat, with phase 2 comprising of 1 gigawatt addition to be operational by FY27. Leveraging our retail reach, we are offering secure, localized, and advanced inverter solutions, strengthening India's energy ecosystem. Moving on to slide number 9. Transformer is an extremely important component in the overall solar as well as transmission and distribution value chain. India continues to see huge supply gap, and to address this, Waaree is expanding its capacity to 20,000 MVA with a planned capex of 192 crores. This will expand our product portfolio across distribution, inverter duty, and extra high voltage transformers. We have already secured an order book of 245 crores, including large order from a global multinational major, validating our quality benchmarks. Moving to slide number 10. Battery energy storage system is going to be extremely important component of the entire value chain to ensure that we have 24/7 renewable power supply. Waaree is building its 20 gigawatt-hour facility to be ready by FY28. We aim to indigenize a large part of the value chain, catering to utilities, C&I customers, residential demand, and data centers. This will include anode, cathode, and electrolyte facilities in India. Moving to slide number 11. We are playing our part to solve land and connectivity-related issues that at times show renewable power adoption in India, that at times renewable power adoption in India. We have already signed PPA worth 713 megawatts with creditworthiness of utilities backing us up, global CNIs, and have already secured connectivity of 6.1 gigawatts with land of 3,500 secured acres and 13,500 acres tied up under acquisition. Moving to slide number 12, we are taking early steps in green hydrogen market through setting up a 1 gigawatt electrolyzer facility with planned capex of INR 676 crores. The capacity is expected to be operationalized by FY27, and for that we have a PLI of 444 crores. On slide number 13,